Hey everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into one of the biggest questions of our time: how is artificial intelligence really going to impact our jobs? Is it the robot apocalypse we've seen in sci-fi movies, leaving us all unemployed? Or is it the dawn of a new, more productive era with exciting new opportunities? AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's powerful, and it's rapidly changing everything around us, especially the world of work. So, buckle up as we explore the potential job losses, the exciting new roles being created, and what the future of your career might look like in the age of AI. To understand where we're going, it's always helpful to look back. Throughout history, major technological shifts have always shaken up the labor market. Think about the Industrial Revolution. New machines meant some jobs disappeared, like traditional farming roles and handcrafting. But it also led to the rise of factories and a whole new demand for factory workers. Fast forward to the 20th century with computers and robots. Again, concerns about job displacement in offices and manufacturing arose. Yet, history shows us a fascinating trend. While technology eliminates certain jobs, it also paves the way for entirely new industries and transforms existing roles. Remember when almost half the U.S. workforce was in agriculture? Now it's just a tiny fraction, thanks to machinery, but that didn't lead to mass unemployment. Instead, we saw booms in manufacturing, services, and now, tech. This tells us the job market is pretty adaptable. AI is no longer confined to labs, it's being deployed across almost every industry imaginable. Let's break down some key examples. Think smart factories with AI optimizing supply chains, collaborative robots working alongside humans, and AI-powered quality control that's more precise than the human eye. Chatbots are now the first line of contact for many businesses, handling routine inquiries instantly. AI is optimizing delivery routes for companies like UPS and Amazon, predicting vehicle maintenance needs, and of course, the development of autonomous vehicles by companies like Waymo and Tesla has the potential to be truly revolutionary. AI is assisting in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, developing personalized treatments, providing virtual nursing assistance, and even enhancing surgical precision with robotic systems. And it doesn't stop there. Finance, law, media, AI is making its presence felt everywhere. This widespread automation, impacting both manual and increasingly complex cognitive tasks, is what fuels the debate about job displacement. So, what's the argument for AI leading to significant job losses? Well, AI excels at those routine, repetitive tasks. Anything rule-based and predictable is prime for automation, impacting jobs in manufacturing, data entry, and basic customer service. But the concern doesn't end there. AI is now capable of performing tasks we once thought were uniquely human, generating code, writing content, analyzing data, even some legal and financial work. This raises questions about the future of white-collar jobs in areas like software engineering, writing, data analysis, and law. Numerous reports have tried to put numbers on this. The World Economic Forum estimated 75 million jobs could be displaced globally by 2025. Goldman Sachs predicted around 300 million full-time jobs worldwide could be at risk. But hold on. It's not all doom and gloom. There's a strong argument for AI also being a major driver of job creation and for augmenting our existing roles. Firstly, the development, implementation, and maintenance of AI systems themselves will create entirely new job categories. Think AI trainers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI ethicists, and human-machine teaming managers. We'll need people with the skills to build, manage, and ethically guide these technologies. Secondly, AI can significantly boost productivity. By automating routine tasks and enabling new innovations, it can lead to economic growth. AI can provide valuable insights from data, improve accuracy, and ultimately make us more effective. And let's not forget the uniquely human skills that AI currently struggles with: critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and complex communication. As AI takes over more routine tasks, these human skills will become even more valuable. Some economists predict initial unemployment followed by a rebound, while others see a more muted impact or even benefits for less skilled workers. These examples highlight that the impact of AI is happening now, and it's diverse and evolving. Governments and organizations also have a responsibility to implement strategic policies. Skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and digital literacy will be highly valued. Continuous adaptation and a commitment to lifelong learning will be essential for everyone. So, is AI going to lead to a massive job apocalypse? The reality is far more nuanced. While job displacement is a legitimate concern in certain sectors, history and current trends suggest that AI will also be a significant driver of job creation and will transform existing roles. Please like and subscribe for more discussions on technology and its impact on our lives. Thanks for watching.